beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm gonna be unboxing Eyescream Beauty, and this is for the month of February. I always get them late, so you've probably seen a whole bunch of videos unboxing this box, but I'm still gonna do it. So the theme is, of course, Valentine's. This is all the list of the products with the price. So in case you didn't know, Eyescream Beauty is a monthly subscription box, which is $25 a month, and you get 5 to 7 items, all makeup related, and it guarantees an eyeshadow palette each month. So that's always good. So let's see what I got this month. This looks like candy. This is so cute. What is this? Candy Chrome Mirabelle. Candy Chrome, and it has nothing written. Let me see what this is. Okay, Candy Chrome Loose Multi-Chrome Pigments by Chantico Beauty, and it retails for $24. This retails for $24. What? These multi-chromes pigments shift between 3 to 4 colors depending on how the light hits them. The eyeshadow palette this month was chosen to complement the bright and pigmented multi-chromes. Ooh, let's open it up. Feels like I'm opening a candy or something. Oh, you gotta check this out. Let me see if I can open it so you can really see the color. Oh, it came a little bit broken. Oh, damn it, it did. Oh, it's all coming out. It looks so pretty. You can't tell of the shift, but it does shift from purple to blue. It's very pretty. Let me see if I can swatch it here, but it's all either, or maybe it's a loose powder. Let me see if I can build it up. You see how it shifts from blue to purple? I don't know if it shows up on camera, but I see blue and purple. It's very pretty. That is pretty. Look at my finger. Maybe you can tell there. Oh, there you can see it better. I would definitely put a sticky layer first, like a sticky base, like a glitter primer or something, because it's loose. So I cleaned my hand, but I just noticed there's another one here. That's why it retails for $24. It brings 2. So this is another shade. Let me see which color is this one. And this one, the first one, I can see like 3 colors. It says it shifts up to 4 colors. Maybe in the sunlight you see another color. Okay, so that one was more purple and blue, and this one I see more green and purple, which is this one. Okay, so they're all loose. I can't tip it over because it'll fall again in my hand. But here it is. Let me see this one. Oh, I think I love this one more. Look at that teal. So yeah, I definitely see purple and blue. That's so pretty. It's quite messy though, but pretty. Gotta clean my hand again. We just cheers again. Let's see what else I see. I see some brushes. 3 brushes. I guess they're for the face. Let's see how much this retails for. 3-piece brush set by IBY Beauty, and it retails for $32. There's the contour brush, which is the 3631, which is this one. Contouring. Let me open it up. Should I put this in a giveaway? Because I pretty much have these, and I don't really particularly use the fan brush. I think I'm gonna set this aside for a giveaway. So it has the contouring brush, and then this one is, I think, blush or highlighter. Yeah, this one's the multitasking brush, which is suitable for blush or highlight. And then the fan brush. This one is used to apply and diffuse highlighter. I never used these, so I'm gonna set these aside. They look pretty good, and I like the handle is rose gold. I'll just leave that up, put that aside for a future giveaway. Then I see what is, okay, the palette, right? Yes, this is the palette by Mirabella. It's called Undressed. I guess it has neutral colors, and this retails for $50. What? The shade names are in the back. Let's see what she looks like. And it brings a mirror. So those are the shades, very light and neutral. Should I set this aside for a giveaway? I don't know what to do. Let me think. This is how I think. It's pretty. I don't want to swatch it because I haven't decided if I'm gonna give this away or keep it, because I do have very similar shades in my collection, so I don't know. I'll think about it and decide. Then I see here this little heart of gold lip gloss. That's odd. It comes like this. Heart of gold lip gloss by Amuse Cosmetics. It retails for $5. These glosses come in a few different shades and are meant to complement most looks. This is an affordable and adorable lip color option. Quick tip for getting gloss to dry down more quickly is to add some setting powder before applying. I know I'm not going to use this like this because I don't want to use my fingers to apply it, so I'm also going to set this aside for a giveaway, and this retails for $5. And the last thing I see here is this Dragon Lash semi-permanent mascara. Semi-permanent mascara? What? This retails for $18. The Dragon Lash mascara is a semi-permanent high gloss black tubing mascara. Unlike conventional wax-based mascaras, tubing mascaras contain polymers that wrap around the lashes, creating tubes so they don't smudge or flake. Plus, they are easy to remove, making you less likely to experience lash fallout during removal. Okay. Oh, that's crazy. I've never tried a mascara like this. And it's black, so I think I'm gonna like it. Okay, I see. You know what this reminds me of? The whole lash gate situation. It's kind of flat on one side and then it curves on the other side. That's crazy. But the bristles are all the same. Okay, so I'm eager to try this. I can't try it now. I'm wearing falsies, but I'll let you know in the description box if I liked it or not. So basically that's it for this month's box. I'm definitely gonna keep this and try it, and I'm definitely gonna keep these and try it too, because I think I like this one more. They're very pretty. They're messy, but they look very promising. And then I know I'm giving this on a giveaway and the brushes, and I'm still debating if I'm gonna give away the palette, so I don't know yet. I haven't decided on this. If you guys are interested in this, let me know in the comments down below so I can put it aside. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That helps me out a lot, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys. There's the contour blush. I'm gonna clean this. This is so messy. Get it again. How did I get it again? My whole desk is filled with that powder.